Hi guys, hope everybody's having a lovely day. Today I want to do a little bit of an unboxing of a print sample set. We have a nice box, presentation box, and if you notice it's unbranded, so you can show this to your clients without them worrying about your supplier, which is us. And let's begin. So let's just open this up and see what's inside. A lot of goodies here. All right. So a lot of the stuff that we are showcasing are finishing examples. Finishing is either UV or foil or lamination and also even die cutting as well, which we have the capabilities to do in-house. So the first one is a postcard. And if you can tell, it's not just shiny, but there's actually a raised element to it. And if you feel it, it feels a really nice texture. So that is one. And in this example, it really makes the wording part stand out. So that is why we chose this. Another example is showing the capabilities of the fine details that you can get with the spot UV. So it's not just not like a simple spot here you go UV, but adding some sort of texturized element. If you look really close, see how that fine texture, and you can even feel it with your hand, and it feels amazing. And the quality of this looks really good. All right, next up, we have a soft touch postcard, and the soft touch postcard has UV and also holographic raised foil. It's a very subtle, but it's cool. It's really cool if we can just see in the light how it has that rainbow effect. More on that later. Another example of how we can use texture UV in an example, and all of this you can actually feel as a texture, especially this page. A lot of these elements, they're actually texturized. This is a good sample, and you can see right away. We have this pattern watermark in the background. Now look closely, it's not print. This is all UV. So the underneath it is just a solid, more or less a solid purple background. But when we print a UV, it actually becomes part of a graphical element that is not only cool looking, but it feels amazing. Like it's just imagine holding this in your hand, giving this to someone holding it, and how would they would feel? Like you feel the back. It's very texturized. Also, the foil part is cool too. It's a raised foil. This is actually a die cut for a video card that we put. We actually put a video screen in here in some of our products. So if you're wondering why is it cut out, that's meant to be like that. Yeah, very cool. Soft touch, holographic foil. This is one of my favorite examples, and the combination of the soft touch, the feel of that raised foil, and the coolness factor of the holographic foil. It's amazing. You open it up, and if you look closely, see the in the light that shine. These are all texturized. It's not a solid mass of spot UV. It's a texturized effect. Very cool. Again, my favorite, holographic, and again showing how UV can be also a graphical element. There's no print underneath. This is actually a solid background. But when you add this and you consider, hey, let's make the UV like a watermark, you can do some amazing effects. And then this is a holographic foil again. Very cool. So we also have a couple other goodies. So that is the raised UV, the raised foil. And we also can do things like putting together small boxes. We have a digital die cutting machine, very good machines in our facility, and we can do a lot of the small type of packaging. This is a box that gets popped up. Maybe I can just pop it up now. Let's see. Yeah. So this is just basically a simple box. But the good thing about the way we make these boxes is it's completely scalable. So whether you have 1 or 10,000 pieces, we can definitely do it. Um, and also, we can do all the finishings that you saw here. So we can do all the texturizing, all the lamination, soft touch, all the raised foil, which is this is actually raised gold. So we can do a lot of cool effects on boxes. So this is also another option that you can offer your clients. And another thing that we have is stickers. So we have a good process where we could do die cut stickers in custom shapes. Actually, no, these are tags, sorry. But we do stickers, by the way. But these are showing just the die cut capability. So any shape, any shape. It could be a business card, it could be a tag, it could be a sticker, it could be a magnet. We could do any shape, any quantity. Uh, Very easy for us to make, and it's something that I can offer to your clients. You don't have to have a large run like other companies. You can go to us, and we can do anything, even if samples if you are in the pitching stage. All right, again, another couple of examples here of the capability of a die cut. This is a example of what could be a gift card, and we're showing how we can do really thick paper. And this is cardboard, by the way. And also, this is laminated and die cut. We can cut almost any shape. The thicker you go, though, the less complicated we can get. But we can do fairly good stuff with our cutter. And again, you can do all the same finishings like we saw in here. This is just simply laminated with a gloss lamination, but we can easily apply gold, foil or UV or lamination of other effects like soft touch or matte instead of just, or even holographic instead of just the UV, the gloss effect there. And just another, simple things like we can do business cards. And this is an example of how you can just do something simple where you have a black background and we just do foil underneath it. There's actually no image. So we can just do nice effects just with raised foil alone. Imagine this was holographic. I keep saying holographic because that's my favorite. And then last, we do include some finishes. This is the lamination finishes, and we show stuff here, which is even holographic glitter, which is cool effects as well. And just examples of using raised UV. Again, this is just a background of black, but we show how you can incorporate graphical elements just by using UV alone. And this is the same image in holographic foil. And then these are just foil sample swatches. So if you're like, hey, what kind of colors can we do? You can do different colors. We also have matte versions of the gold and silver. So that is something that is definitely an option. All the standard colors. Purple is actually a nice color that we use occasionally. So depending on your project, we can definitely do it. Now the black is it is a foil, but it's just a way of doing like some sort of raised print, which is truly black. So you can do some good effects with that. And yeah, so like I said, we have gloss silver and more of a matte silver, and there's different. Depending on your project, you may choose to use one or the other. This may actually work in some cases. However, more popularly is the more of the gloss stuff. And then we have holographic. We also have other holographic material that we can do like glitter and whatnot, but most is the rainbow type effect, is that's the most common. And that's it. So if you're interested, we can offer you this package and just let us know. Bye for now.